asking questions and answering questions with the word where. Where means a place, a location. Where is something? Where is somebody? Where have you put something? Where is and where are. Where is for one object, one animal, one person, one cat, one dog, one car. Where is your cat? Where is my cat? Where is their cat? Where is our cat? Just one cat, one car, one anything. Where are is plural. Where are your cats? Where are my cats? Where are their cats? Lots of cats. Where are they? To answer a question beginning with where is, like where is your cat? If it has your in, it means the object, the person, the animal, the car belongs to you. So you answer saying my. My cat is at home. My car is by the beach. My house is just down the road. If the question is where are your cats, you still answer with my. Because if the question has your, then it means your things. So you begin with the word my. My cats are at home. My car is in the garage. My hat is on the shelf. Objects are either singular, just one, or plural, more than one. If you are asking where something is, you begin with where. Where is my hat? Where is my bag? Where are my glasses? Where are my shoes? You use is for singular, are for plural. If you are answering, you would normally say it is for one thing, or they are for more than one. So, where is my hat? It is on the shelf. Where is my bag? It is near the door. Where are my glasses? They are on the table. Where are my shoes? They are under the chair. Where is used for directions because you want to find something. So maybe you want to find the restroom, the toilet, the bathroom. Where is the toilet? Maybe it's a station. Where is the station? Perhaps it's the Underground in London. Where is the Underground? Where is the Underground station? Maybe you want to go to the shops. So you would say, where are the shops? Some questions you may be asked. Sometimes people will ask you questions and you have to answer. Answering questions is more difficult than asking questions. Some common questions are, where are you staying? Where do you live? Where is your family? Where were you born? Questions and answers. Where are you staying? I am staying at the Marriott Hotel. Where do you live? I live in Rome, Italy. Where is your family? My family are in Naples. Where were you born? I was born in Naples. Let's look at some answers to these questions. Where are you staying? I am staying at the Marriott Hotel, or we are staying at the Marriott Hotel. Where do you live? I live in Rome. We live in Rome. Where is your family? My family are in Naples. Where were you born? I was born in Naples.